Buyers looking for a sports sedan should consider the appealing Subaru Legacy over the Toyota Camry. The Legacy's luxurious cabin and excellent performance offer the excitement and comfort you deserve. Patriot Subaru, home of the exclusive lifetime warranty, has the selection of new Subaru vehicles you've been looking for. Visit us online at www.patriotsubaru.com. While you're there, see how all new vehicles come with lifetime Maine state inspections. Value your current trade-in and receive top dollar. See pictures and bios of our friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, and read more about Patriot Subaru and how we're committed to being a green business leader to see why we're the right dealership for you. Patriot Subaru is located at 769 Portland Road in Saco, Maine.